All right, this is Dr. Chrissy with Fox Integrated Healthcare. Today I'm with Sarah, and she's been getting some regular treatment throughout her pregnancy. Can you tell us a little bit about your experience thus far?
The pregnancy has gone really well, and the adjustments have helped a lot, especially with the back pain and just comfort level and just energy levels. Just really makes me feel more stable and prepared.
Mm-hmm.
And it especially helped when I was about 32 weeks. My midwife told me that I was that the baby had flipped around and was breech and sunny side up, and so I was really uncomfortable, having a lot of really sharp abdominal pain. They thought I might be going into preterm labor, and I asked Dr. Chrissy and Dr. Fox if they could do anything in terms of an adjustment, and they suggested the Webster technique. And within 2 adjustments of the Webster technique, the baby had flipped back into the correct head down position and is now in a posterior position and has stayed that way since week 33 consistently, and I've been a lot more comfortable consistently, and I'm now waiting.
Awesome. So would you recommend our office to pregnant women specifically?
Absolutely, yeah, and chiropractor adjustments in general just really are very beneficial during pregnancy, and I'd recommend them to anybody.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your testimonial.
You're welcome.